This will look real good with the white caps in the background. Still there?
Yeah. Keeping them tight.
Just lean up against the cushion. I don't know where the microphone is. I got to cover that up. I have a bunch of wind noise. What is it? Calico! Yeah!
Oh, yeah. Not bad, not bad.
See, it cheated. You cut my line so that I couldn't catch a fish. Didn't have a lure in the water. Alright. Last fish of the day, most likely. That'll be fish number 13. One hook at a time, regardless. There you go. You just go ahead and mangle those hooks so I can catch one. Hasn't grown any or shrunk any.